This video will show you how to transform photos into a 3D model. So the first thing I want to do is go into Google and type up Meshroom and click on the Alice Vision one. And then we just switch over to Meshroom and scroll down and you'll find two options to download. The one on the left is the one for Windows and that's the one we'll be using. So we just want to download that one. Once it's downloaded, just type it up, meshroom.exe, and it'll pop up like this. Have a little bit of a script running before opening up the main home menu. And now go to open. So you want to import the images. So you want to go find all of the images. So for this project, we're using a ramp. So we'll go and select all of the images that we took around the 3D object, so the ramp for this case, and import them to make sure that we've got an accurate 3D model that gets presented afterwards. Double check all of the images are in there and just make sure that we press start. And before pressing start, we want to make sure we're saving that file. So save that somewhere where we want to keep it and then press start. So we'll just skip forward now until we've got it all ready to go. And now you can see what the actual file looks like. It's a bunch of point clouds and it creates all of these points and vertices that create the model itself. So all of these are quite large points, but you can also change them into this file, but it's best to open it up into an actual modeling software where you can edit it. So now we've got that all good to go. We want to go and find the actual cache folder from this file and then go to meshing and then the top folder and then go to mesh.obj, and that is the obj that we can use to open up into Rhino. So just right click on that and open with whatever modeling software you're using. Just press OK on everything and it should pop up like this, and it'll be in the wireframe view, and sometimes it comes through on a weird angle like this vertical. Just select all of that. Make sure you got Gumball turned on in Rhino, so it's easier just to move that one around horizontally or whatever the object is, so it's standing at the right axis. And then just change that one to rendered. And we're just going to have to move that one again a little bit more on another 90 degrees. You're going to have to play around with this one a little bit until it's completely flat on the surface you want, but at least you can see roughly how the model comes through just from images. It's pretty amazing software. And there you can see all of the vertices and all pointed together to create this gigantic mesh just from imagery. As you can see, now you can edit it due to the vertexes being turned on. And that is how you create a model from just photo imagery.